Hey guys, this is Hope and welcome back to the channel. If you are trading meme coins, this video is 100% for you. But let's be real, being a meme coin trader isn't an easy job. There are thousands of new meme coins popping up every single day, and if you want best gains, you've got to move super fast. To catch those early gems, a lot of traders hang out in Telegram groups where people share promising coins. But even then, so many traders still miss out on projects that blows up. And you may ask why. Maybe they are just too late, or they away from their PC, or they are just basically sleeping. That's why today I want to share a tool that makes your life way easier. It helps you snipe contract addresses and DEX screener links not just from Telegram channels, but also from group chats or even specific people. I walk you through how it works, how to set it up, and how to start trading meme coins automatically. And the tool I'm showing you today is called DEXCELERATE. So it's an on-chain trading platform that fully automates your trading strategy, but simply to say, it's like a Telegram scraper bot. So I definitely recommend you to check their official website, but let's talk how this bot works. So the bot instantly picks up a contract address as soon as it posts it in Telegram group and snipes it for you. As I said, with thousands of tokens launching every day, you don't have to waste your time searching for good projects, copying their contract addresses, or manually making trades. This bot handles everything automatically. And as you know, there are tons of free, private, and paid Telegram groups where people, including KOLs, share promising tokens. And these groups and chats actually have huge profit potential. But as you know, if you are on these groups, you always need to check the messages, you always need to check contract addresses and manually enter the trade. That's why I think one of the best important parts about this bot is that you don't have to stay glued to your phone or PC. The bot works for you, sniping tokens almost the second they are posted, even if you are away or busy. And it's get even better. DEXCELERATE lets you set automatic take profits and stop losses so your trades are fully optimized without any extra effort. So this sounds already really amazing, right guys? So let's check how the platform looks. So this is the main dashboard where the magic happens. So first and first, what you need to do if you want to use this automatic tool is connect your wallet. So let's firstly connect our wallet. So we have this button here, connect wallet. So let's click it and I will use Phantom Wallet. And then I need to connect it to the DEXCELERATE dashboard. So as we can see, sign in to verify, you will receive a request to verify ownership of your wallet. So I connected my wallet and I need to sign in to verify. So let's click this button. Again, I got this notification. I need to confirm it. And then I need to deposit some money into my slot. So let's deposit today 50 USD. Again, I would like to confirm everything. And this is it, how you complete your first deposit. And guys, I really forgot to mention it, but use my link in the description because this is the official link for this bot. And let's go back to the funds. So this is my wallet. Let's click it. And as we can see, this is the slot. So what is actually a slot? So this means the system is 100% non-custodial, so you are the only one in control of your funds without ever exposing your private wallet. So basically saying this is like a smart contract for you that guarantees that your main wallet funds are safe. And as you saw, it's super easy to add money, but for example, you want to add even more money. So what you need to do, click your first slot, this button, and you can deposit funds instantaneously. Also, if you want to withdraw your money from this slot back to your main wallet, you can do that with also one click. So actually, it's super easy to do. And I'm really excited that DEXCELERATE have this slot system and it makes sure that our money in the main wallet and even in the slot is super safe and nothing can happen with our money. So okay guys, let's check how to navigate this platform. If you are a meme coin trader, DEXCELERATE will feel familiar. It's similar to platforms like BullX or AutoSnipe. It even has basic features. So if we click this button scanner, we can see that there's all tokens that are listed right now. We can choose all chain, we can choose specific chains like Ethereum, Solana, Base, or BSC. Also, we have last 24 hours tokens. We can filter it to the newest, top, gainers. We can even filter it to the age, liquidity, volume, audit, and we even have pump.fun tokens. So all these features are standard tools you'll find in most of the bots, but that's why I want to talk about other things that makes the Accelerate platform stand out. So let's go to this terminal section. So actually here on our left, we have the watch list. So think of it as a mini control panel where you see all the information when you open some tokens. Also here you can connect your Telegram account and set a bot to track any group or individual you want. It will automatically copy and snipe the contract addresses they are posting. So this is, I think, the main advantage that this bot has. You can actually integrate your Telegram channel, your groups, personal accounts, private groups, like basically everything, and then snipe the contract addresses in those groups, personal accounts, etc. So how to set it up? So let's do a step-by-step guide. So first thing what you need to do is connect your Telegram account. So let's do that. So I will receive a verification code. So this will look something like this, and it says that someone is trying to log in, and that someone is basically the Accelerate tool. So let's copy our code. Then we press next, and there we are in. And this is how you connect your Telegram to the accelerator. It's super, super easy to do. So here you will see all the groups, personal chats, everything that you have on your main Telegram. And I blur it because I don't want to show any information from my private groups and paid groups and channels. But let's for a minute imagine that you don't want to connect your Telegram, or you don't follow any particular group that has really good contract addresses popping up every single minute. So actually then the accelerator has the database of free Telegram groups. So let's go to this scanner and let's go to this button channels. So here we will find all the public traders, and the best part is that actually we can check the data. So let's choose last 7 days, and we have the super long list. But for example, I want to change some filters and I want to check only traders that make within a week, for example, 20 calls. So let's apply this filter. And then we can see that we have a little bit smaller list. So with the channel filters, actually filter even more with, for example, hit rates from minimum to maximum in percentages, and then even choose the channels type. And if you don't want, again, to have these filters, you can reset it. And also it's really, really nice that we have from the first to last place. So let's click this guy, Gamble Mad. As we can see, he made 50 calls. He had 34 wins and he had 16 losses. So the win ratio for this guy in 7 days is 68%. And actually here we can see that this guy made this call which made 200 X's. Guys, I think this is super crazy, but averagely this guy made around, I would say averagely 5 to 10 X's easily. So I think this win ratio is pretty good, comparing that the X's he made, it's around from 5 to 10 X's with each trade. So I'm really excited that we can check all the data and we can check even the calls he made. So it's really lets us understand which trader we want to choose and copy trade. So for example, I want to copy trade this guy Gamble's Mad Apes. So what you need to do basically is click this button, copy trade. So here we have our buying strategy settings, guys, and this is super, super important. So for example, as I'm using Sol, I will write how much I want to invest in every call this guy makes. But if you are bad calculating Sol, you can click this button here and it will write you in dollars. So for example, I want to enter every time this guy makes a call with $10. So this means that every time this guy makes a call, I will enter in it with $10. But this is not the best part. Actually, you can set even the selling point, which is super important because if we enter the trade, we want to exit it. So let's click this button at target. So for example, as I mentioned, this guy makes around 5 to 10x's. So let's write 5x's. And let's say when I reach those 5x's, I want to sell 50% of my profits. But what I will do with other 50%, right? So let's add another target. So with those money that we have left for this trade, let's say he will make big gainer and make around, for example, 10x's. And when he make 10x's, I will sell 100% of my profits. So yeah, guys. So as I mentioned, for example, when you check the stats, you can see how many X's the trader is making averagely, and then you can set your targets, how you want your strategic to go while you auto trade. Then we have the stop loss. And as the meme coin market is super volatile, let's set a stop loss around 50%. So this is our triggers. But we have even more buttons here. So we have event shielding and we have priority. So I always like to use slippage automated, then gas fees also automated, and then we have this button anti-MEF. So if you are trading with smaller amounts, I suggest you to turn it off. But if you're trading for 400, 500, or even more, then I definitely suggest you to turn anti-MEF option here. And then we have slots. So again, guys, this is super easy. You can actually create your own strategy. You can make a lot of strategies, a lot of different bots, and see which bot works you the best. So what you need to do, basically, to click this button start. So let's click it. Oh, and I forgot to write the percentage. So I will write 100% of our tokens. So let's start. So yeah, guys, we created our first bot that we can find here. And actually, if we click it, we can see that this guy didn't make any trades. So that's why we don't have a data, but you can always check the data here why some snipes are happening. So as I mentioned, you can also do the same with your own personal Telegram accounts, groups, and profiles. So basically, you just need to create settings you want and let the bot trade for you. But let's say you want to create a channel. So what you need to do, you need to click this button plus. So you need to, again, choose the group you want to enter. And what is really amazing with the DEXCELERATE app, that actually you can filter the group. So let's click this button more. So we have filters. We have users, pins, bot, admins, reply, forwarded. So for example, I don't want to snipe anything with the reply section, and I want to snipe only admins, only bots, only users, and I don't want to do it with forwarded. So actually, I can filter out everything what I want to snipe, and I think this is super amazing. So it makes your life way easier. Then you can have, as I said, a lot of different strategies how you want to trade and make your calls. So I created this test group to show you how fast this bot actually works. So let's set some settings for this bot. So let's again press to show the price in the dollars. And let's, for example, set the bot enter price with $8 per trade. Then let's set the target. So let's set profit, for example, for 100% and sell also at 100%. Then we have the stop loss. So let's, for example, write 20% and let's write it here 100%. And now let's click activate this bot. Basically, I copied the contract address of random token. And to showcase how fast this bot works, let's copy the contract address in the Telegram group to test it out. So as you can see that DEXCELERATE entered the trade almost at the same second as I posted the contract address to my test group. So if we go to the bot, we can check how the trade looks. So here we can check some information how the trade is looking and check if our strategy in the setting works well. So actually it's super easy and fast to do. And actually, guys, I'm not into copy trading at all because it takes me so much time to do it. But this platform, I think, changed my mind forever, and I will start my new trading career here. And lastly, we have this button list. So basically, the project gives the users the power to create trading bots with zero knowledge in the coding. Every time a token on the blockchain will meet your conditions and the filter that you set up in your list, it will buy it automatically while you are sleeping, you are not near your computer, etc. No more manual trading, everything is automated. So basically, you can create your own list. There's loads of different filters. But yeah, guys, you can do all the custom filters you want to do it. And I think this is really amazing because, for example, you are in this group where people posting like every 2 other minutes, right? And you don't want to enter all these snipes, right? So for example, you make only the trades where the liquidity pool is at minimum $100,000. And then you will enter only the trades which have minimum liquidity of $100,000. So I think this is really, really useful and really amazing. And again, if you want to see your bot, you can check out the bot here in the bot section. So yeah, guys, this is basically it about this amazing tool. I think it's amazing that you can do so much filtering, create your unique strategies, do your own various bots, and trade even while you sleep. I think it's super important if you want to have these big gains, because as you know, the faster you enter the trade, the better gains you can expect. So again, guys, use only my link in the description to start using the DEXCELERATE app. I'm really happy that I found this tool. It has not only automated setup, but it has some analytics that I can check if I want to choose which groups I want to follow and which bots I want to make from my Telegram groups. So yeah, guys, definitely try out this amazing tool. But before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my free Telegram group. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.